Day number 2 of kicking off Save Club officially. All right, we're at a pre-launch. Pre-launch was fun. I did 35 days of just recruiting and talking about the benefits and the savings you can get by joining Save Club. And so far, so good. I have almost 100 people just personally signed up underneath me, and they are getting people signed up underneath them as well. If you do join my group, my team, I want you to know that we have a lot of support. I think that's important. If you're going to do this alone, I think you're going to struggle a little bit. Unless you have a lot of experience and you, by choice, want to work alone. And I don't mean you're going to go to someone's home or go to a building and everyone's going to kind of watch seminars and movies and stuff like that. What I mean is join 2 of our Facebook groups. And they're private, invite only. You can go there, ask questions, share marketing ideas, or just meet people around the world that believe in Save Club as it grows. Because each month there's going to be thousands of more deals. Canada, Mexico, across the ocean to UK. Millions of deals are going to be obviously debuting all over Asian areas. All right, Malaysia is doing very well. Philippines, China, of course. And we're going to focus Australia. And let's see, what else is there? God, New Zealand, New Guinea. God, there's so many places. Brazil. I focus a lot here just in Salt Lake City where I live. I like to do YouTube video, and I like to post, mostly on Facebook. It's my favorite. I don't know if, since I'm an older guy, that Facebook is my comfort zone, but TikTok is obviously just awesome. Instagram, and boy, Twitter, X. Everyone still calls it Twitter, don't they? Threads. You can do the short little videos too. Are they called shorts, reels, where you kind of do things 15 seconds, maybe up to 1 minute? My favorite is videos like this, and this is a webcam. A lot of people just do the cell phone thing, and this is more than enough. Cell phones are just crazy. They have more power than what got Apollo. Was it 1969? I forgot what Apollo mission went to the moon, but I went to the Space Center and they said, yeah, pretty much the computer that got us to the moon is less than a cell phone. Hello? To me, they still remind me of Pop-Tarts. I want to put this in a toaster and just nuke it. But then what would I do? How would I hang out and survive? It's such a cell phone world now. Can you imagine? No cell phones. Like, boom, they're just gone. And we're back to the old rotary phones. Put a dime in, put a 25-cent piece in. Is it called a quarter? They make a call. But I think you'd agree, it's just an electronic world. AI, you hear a lot about it. Will it affect you or will it help you? Well, in our case, it helps you in Save Club. I always, every day, at least 1 to 2 peeps get a hold of me, usually, email, and I like it, Cory@CoryDraper.com, or inbox me on my Facebook page. And they'll always ask, okay, well, what do I do with my emails? How do I set up my autoresponder? And how do I do this and how do I do that? And I'm like, well, look, let's build your list first. Let's work on just making content. All these emails, if you don't have any yet, then don't worry about it. You can just copy and paste. If you have people coming in, and you can go to your back office in your referrals tab, and I'll show you. You can go ahead and just highlight them, copy them, and put them on your home computer. You can write them down on pen and paper if you'd like. But don't get tripped up on Aweber, Great Response, System, Leads Leap, and all these other auto-responding messages. Because today I literally spent 20 minutes just going over autoresponders and how it even trips me up. And I've been doing this long enough for a couple years now to form an opinion about autoresponders. And I think they're still confusing, even though it's 2025. But to write an email message that's pretty darn cool, short and sweet, but gets to the point where you hopefully will open it up. Because you have to have a good subject. If you put earn and save money today, people are probably just going to delete it. It takes something that needs to be a little more mysterious. Like ask a question. It makes you want to open the email because you don't even know really what it is, but it is pretty darn cool how it's written. And you're like, okay, I got to open this email up. I only email people looking to make money online. I don't write anybody that's not looking for something that's about 90% Save Good or Save Club oriented. All right, I learned this with Live Good. The products are on my little mini fridge over there. I got really good at emailing people, but people were emailing me, hey, how do I make money? How do I buy really healthy products at wholesale pricing? So every time I emailed someone back, I'm satisfying what they need. How do you make money online? And how do you get the cheapest, best products on planet Earth? Well, I'm doing the same thing with Save Club. How do you save money on things you're already buying? And how do you make money, hopefully at home or on your cell phone, laptop, anywhere? And I was even talking to one of my pals yesterday, how nice it is if I do have a home computer, laptop, or cell phone, that I can go to California. I can be in an RV. As long as I have cell phone service, Wi-Fi, internet access, I literally can make a video like this anywhere. My favorite is right here in my little man cave that I built here. But honestly, I can do the same thing in an RV. Just get a little light and, I don't know, a webcam. My YouTube channel is always going to be there. My Facebook profile pages, group pages. But it is nice about Save Club is you can work anywhere, anytime. And that's including China, Malaysia, Africa, Australia, or right across the street from here. But I want you to join a group. I get nervous if you just join by yourself, and if you get a little bit tripped up and you feel embarrassed to even ask questions like, I don't know what to do next. Well, if you're in a group of people, and I like when there's a group of people that are new with zero experience, or maybe they've tried something online. It could be like a traditional MLM or how to sell a product on Amazon. And if you didn't really have success, don't worry about it. We'll figure something out. But if you're in a group, you can ask questions. And yes, you can sit behind your laptop. Just contact. I have one of the remote control keyboards here. I love these things. Sit, look at your screen. Join our Facebook, 2 of them, by the way. Join our Facebook profile group pages. They're invite only. And when you're in there, yes, please ask questions. If you have ideas or you have something that is working for you, go ahead and put, hey, this seems to work for me. Here's an email I did. Here's a post that seemed to get some traction and people clicking. Or just consume all the information and all the training. We have a lot of cool stuff in the back office. Just if you join for $60 to be an affiliate and then do the $20 a month, in my opinion, you are going to save money. You just got to search. What are you already buying? Well, just go to saveclub.com, log in, hit the My Deals tab, search. And if there's something you're buying anyway, and you can save $10, $5, $100, $200, especially when you go to high ticket items like going to Disneyland or going on cruises, flights. Maybe you want Sirius XM or you just want to go eat here, eat over there. Maybe you want to try a restaurant. And if there is $20 off or 10% off, maybe you will go to a business that you really have not really went to yet. But if you can save money, maybe you'll give it a shot. That's what business owners want when they put their own business inside a Save Club. They want you to go and have a good experience. And if they can save you money by going to their business or purchasing their product, mission accomplished. Welcome to advertising. Welcome to how just things have been the last 100 years. I have something, I want you to buy it. I have a service, hire me. And now with the internet, isn't it mind-blowing? Every day I can't believe that I'm making money by talking into a webcam. $70 webcam, Logitech C920. It's like my best pal. It's either a C920 or a 920C, but you guys can see what I use. It's nothing that crazy. What's your best cell phone? The one you already own. What's the best webcam? Well, if you already own one, great. It's one that works. This one, it's great. It sounds okay. It even goes clearer than what you're watching right now. I don't want to be too clear. You'll see all my skin imperfections or maybe a little boogies. Maybe I have something like coming out of my ear. Okay. It looks like I have white hairs popping out of my barbecue sauce face. Boy, it's been 95 degrees here in Salt Lake. It's been a hot one. But I want you guys to join Facebook team pages. And I want you to join just me. I want you to just join, and I'm going to email you as much as I can and help you. Every day, I'm usually emailing back my downline something. And it's always going to be about marketing. How do I sign up? How do I do this in the back office? You can go to support@saveclub.com. Okay, that's what support does. That's easy. How do you pay with cryptocurrency? I don't want to use my Visa or debit card. Work all of that out with Save Club. But when it comes down to marketing, that's where you're going to either turn to people like myself, if you see me a lot on YouTube, or maybe you have joined my team or my group, my downline, all right, my family, and we all want to help each other. There's no competition. No one is doing Save Club yet. We've only released this thing June 2nd. Let's see. And we released it June 1st. So let's see, June 1st. Today's the 2nd. Today we're 2 years old, or 2 days old. 2 days. Oop, I get the burps. Today we're only 2 days in. Okay. I've signed up almost 100 people already. I have no doubt I'm going to have hundreds of people more. And I like to do a lot of YouTube videos where I can just show you what I do. There's nothing fancy. We have videos for you already made. We have banners and pictures you can use. Gosh, Facebook, TikTok. We have little videos that are like 10, 15 seconds. So they're considered reels or shorts. TikTok worthy. You just upload them and they're already figured out. When they're that short, the software or TikTok or even Facebook, they know what to do with it. When it's that short, they're like, okay, this one is going in this category. Oh, this one's a reel. This is going here. TikTok, 15 seconds. Oh, Cory's doing a 2 or 3 minute one. Even with Facebook Live, you can go up to 10 minutes live. But it's up to you if you want to do video. And if you don't want to yet, I sure hope you try it down the road. It's highly effective, and I think you know that. But take your time, relax. I just want you to join. I need you in Save Club now. So I'll show you what I want you to do. I want you to click both these links, not just one. ilovesaveclub.com is the basic way to get signups. All right, it's just a 6-minute video that you're going to watch. You don't even have to. You can sign up right away. Just put your information and click the button, and you're going to get a Save Club email. Or if you want just more information, you get 1 email per day for 30 days, and that is on the behalf of Save Club. You don't have to worry about autoresponders and everything. Do that down the road. Don't get tripped up on it. I have so many people that just concentrate on autoresponders, and if you don't even have a list yet, don't worry about it. Save Club has your back. 30 emails the next 30 days. And if somebody wants to, or you want to opt out, unsubscribe, then just unsubscribe on the next email you get, and that's it. And if you want more information, read those emails and keep them, because they're really good to learn off of. I read the 30 emails that I got, I save them, and I just read them. They kind of refresh my mind on what's going on. But if you want to join, check out ilovesaveclub.com. Now, if you've already joined and you want a little bit more help, you want a video that explains Save Club even better, takes you by the hand, sits you down and says, okay, instead of a 6-minute video, let's do it in 20 minutes. Let's go into more detail. Let's show the cell phone and the screen how to go to a restaurant and get the deal. Then go to Save Club Funnels. It's $25. Check it out. All it is a platform. It's something before the sign-up page. That way you can buy traffic. If you really do want to buy leads or clicks, call it whatever you want. But if you have an extra $100, $50, maybe you got $300 or $400, if you want to buy leads of people wanting to earn money online or save money, then go ahead and use the funnel. That's how you got to do it anyway. Because if you do it directly to Save Club, you might jam up their server and get a bunch of spam and bull crap, and they'll turn your page off. So you won't be an affiliate anymore. You'll just be a member. Well, right now we're in the money-making business. So the funnel system, just look into it. It's $25. You do not have to do it, but it is helping me right now. I've signed up almost 100 people. I average about 2 to 3 a day. I'll show you some results real quick, and I'll end the video here in 15 minutes. But yeah, it looks like yesterday I had a big car show. I was gone all day. I didn't have time to post, but look, I still had 3 people pre-enroll, and I had 1 person upgrade. And you can see 3, 3, 3, 3. I was hoping to get 3 yesterday because I would have laughed. I mean, to get 1, 2, 3, 5 days in a row of 3, that would have been hilarious. But anyway, this is my first video Monday, 2 days in from our launch. And right now I'm just going to make some fun videos, send out some nice emails, and promote the biz. So if you sign up, I'm going to send you a nice email about what I do, who I am, contact information. Keep it real simple. And then we want to help you get signups and them get signups, and so on and so on. It's about duplication, making it fun and easy. That way you don't consider this a pain in the butt and hard, because it's not. You will make it hard. It's funny how we trip over ourselves with thoughts and processes and systems and techniques and everything. But in a month or two, it's funny when you just go, God, all I got to do is invite people to click something and then let the video take over. Everything else is done by this company. It really is. And if you want to do video like I'm doing, awesome. It will give you an advantage. But like I said, if you don't have any inclination of doing this, then don't worry. We have videos already made for you, pictures and everything else. Okay, that is it, Jose. Let me go ahead and put my business cards up on the screen one last time. Check it out, ilovesaveclub.com or saveclubfunnels.com. Go to both and you'll see why I have almost 100 people signed up already, only 2 days in from the launch. All right, guys? Okay, have a good day. Peace and love, and thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Take care, guys.